Hello, my friends. How you doing today? My future students and my current students and family. My name is Romeo the Professor. I'm going to start focusing on the metaverse now because I believe it's going to be doing amazing things the next 6 months. So, in the Solana ecosystem, I'm in my Orca platform, but the Solana ecosystem Atlas is one of the amazing metaverse coins, and right now it's currently at 16 cents. So I have it, but I'm going to double down on it. And as it go down, I will start buying more. So right now it's at 16 cents as we see in here. You see I only have $451 in it. So I'm going to load this up here to make it an even $5,000 and then just chill so that it could climb up here. Okay, so I'm gonna take it from here. So I'll go to exchange and then USDC and then I'll type Atlas, Star Atlas, and then I'll just, let's see how much I have in it right now because I want to get it close to $5,000. So we have right here 451. So let's do 451. So we'll do 4,600 right there. So I'm getting fair price, it says. So they charge me about $25. So I'm going to exchange, and then I'm not buying more coins. I'm buying the coins that I had. I'm just reloading it so that when it goes up, it could go up. So I just now bought for Star Atlas. So I have Samut coin, which is a meme coin, dog meme coin for the first one for Solana ecosystem. Star Atlas, which is a gaming metaverse coin. And then Solana Inu is a new meme coin for the Solana ecosystem. Okay, so, and then Oogie, the meme coin that's a chimpanzee, gorilla, or something like that. So this is where I'm at, and I'm staying here. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just standing right here. Okay. So if you don't know what Star Atlas is, I'm going to show you. But before I do that, let me screenshot because I like screenshotting where I'm at. So we go here to Star Atlas. Here, Star Atlas. If we look on CoinMarketCap, click show more, we'll see that from all-time high, it's September 4th, October, November, which has been a month and a half ago, it was at 27 cents, and right now it's at 16 cents. I'm not going to scrape it or touch it right now. I'm going to let it touch this 27. So I'm not touching it. Now, if it drops down and touch 13 cents, I will put another $2,000 in it. And if it then touch 10 cents, I'm gonna put another $2,000 in it, and I'm not gonna touch it anymore. I'm done with it, and then it just have to grow. So we see where it's at. My name is Romeo the Professor. What it is, it's a massive multiplayer online game that takes place in a virtual gaming metaverse. So I believe it's going to start popping off because you see Facebook is entering the meta world. So I believe it's going to start exploding, this just like Decentraland exploded or Sandbox. So if we go to the website, you see how it looks. It's very. Let me accept this cookie. Hold on. Okay, this is it, Star Atlas, and we can start playing the game. I can enter. Okay. So that now that you see it, and the vast world beyond imagining, depth universe. So you see all this. Okay, these are the characters. So you have an understanding how it is. So my name is Romeo the Professor. I'm investing in the coin. Follow, subscribe, share. If you look, you'll see this coin came out right around September. That's about 2 months ago. So it's a fairly new coin, and it touched 26, and it's been slowly trying to get there, and the market cap is 355 million. I believe it's going to hit the 1 billion. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment purposes only, and so I just now bought the coin. My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share, like, and if you click the description, I apologize. If you click, sorry about that. If you click the description, you can see my course and enter your name and email, and for free, you can join our course. Not for free, but You'll see how much it costs and join our Telegram, private Telegram. I'm out. Thank you.